The vocal mix on this song, Midnight Blue by M Noir, which I've just finished mixing and co-producing. There's actually quite a lot going on, so I don't know if I'll be able to do this in one video really, but just quickly, I've got a group here in Ableton. I've got a vocal group which has got backing vocals, it's got the main lead vocal in red, and it's got a parallel compressed vocal there. Parallel compression, look at that, look into that. Bit of saturation. This is a great plugin by Waves, which allows you to add edge and saturation to particular frequency bands. I needed it on this vocal. I'm doing some EQ. I actually tried a bunch of different reverbs out on this song before I settled on the Little Plate by Sound Toys. 4 seconds, bit of low cut. It just had the richness that I wanted. The EQ and the reverb, really important to notch out some of the frequencies that are dominant in the vocal on the reverb, so that you don't get a doubling up of frequencies and you get these like extra boomy bits on the sound. So there's a bit of control there. There's also a compressor doing sidechain to the vocal. Okay, so that's allowing the vocal to duck the reverb, and so when the vocal's on, the reverb is less, and when the vocal stops, the reverb pops out of the mix a little bit more. See that? So it just helps with clarity. And then more EQ of the reverb. So there's quite a lot of things going on. I've actually also reduced the width there using the utility plugin. I didn't want the reverb to be really wide because there's lots of other elements in the track that are really wide. And if everything's really wide, then it gets a bit blurry and it gets hard to sort of pick things out. So I want the vocal to be really dominant and clear. God, there's loads of processing going on the vocal. I'll actually just do another video on that really. But it's a combination of lots of EQ, de-essing, compression. So yeah, anyway,